Manu and school's Tiffin. Manu, a class 2 boy. He got paratha, idli, or puri in his tiffin daily. He thought, I'll eat everyone's tiffin. Each day he said, my tiffin fell, please give me some. Friend. At first they kept giving, but gradually everyone noticed that Manu was lying. One day his best friend Riya said, Manu, friendship means sharing, not snatching. Manu felt ashamed. Next day Manu shared his tiffin. Friends gave him dosa, pasta, cake. He tasted many foods for the first time. That day he understood how there is no fun in eating alone. The real taste is in sharing. Now Manu eats by sharing his tiffin every day, and everyone started loving him even more. Thank you so much for watching, kids. See you soon with new stories. Please subscribe, share, and like.